This is letter A. Let's write A together. Round, little line. Great job. A for apple. This is letter B. Let's write B together. Down, round. Awesome. B for ball. This is letter C. Let's write C together. Curve around. Nice work. C for cat. This is letter D. Let's write D together. Round, up, down. Very good. D for dog. This is letter E. Let's write E together. Small line, curve. Excellent. E for elephant. This is letter F. Let's write F together. Down, little cross. Good job. F for fish. This is letter G. Let's write G together. Round, tail down. Great. G for grapes. This is letter H. Let's write H together. Down, hump. Nice. H for hat. This is letter I. Let's write I together. Down, dot. Easy. I for ice cream. This is letter J. Let's write J together. Down, curve, dot. Good. J for jug. This is letter K. Let's write K together. Down, slant, slant. Awesome. K for kite. This is letter L. Let's write L together. Down. Well done. L for lion. This is letter M. Let's write M together. Down, hump, hump. Great. M for mango. This is letter N. Let's write N together. Down, hump. Nice. N for nest. This is letter O. Let's write O together. Round, round. Perfect. O for orange. This is letter P. Let's write P together. Down, round. Good job. P for parrot. This is letter Q. Let's write Q together. Round, tail down. Awesome. This is letter R. Let's write R together. Down, small curve. Great. R for rabbit. This is letter S. Let's write S together. Curve, curve. Nice. S for sun. This is letter T. Let's write T together. Down, cross. Good job. T for tiger. This is letter U. Let's write U together. Down, curve, up. Well done. U for umbrella. This is letter V. Let's write V together. Down, up. Great. V for vane. This is letter W. Let's write W together. Down, up, down, up. Awesome. W for watermelon. This is letter X. Let's write X together. Slant, cross. Good job. X for X-ray. This is letter Y. Let's write Y together. Down, slant, tail. Nice. Y for yak. This is letter Z. Let's write Z together. Across, slant, across. Amazing. Z for zebra. Wow kids, we wrote all small letters from A to Z. Thank you so much kids for watching this video.